Everyone, we have 6 points we will discuss about it. And the first point, it is software. So what language we will use? We will use Python because it is simplicity and versatility. The second one, we have hardware. We have 2 points. The first one, it is services. So we dedicated service for large data sets and real-time analysis. Then we have clients, so pieces for in-depth analyze handheld devices for failed data. Point, it is telecommunication. We have 2 points. The first point is provided. We use the Maxis in Malaysia. And the second point, it is network requirement, stable internet with high bandwidth. Point, it is a database. Just we have only 1 point. It is enterprise database, Oracle for reliability and security. Next point is procedures. We have 2 points. The first point, it is data collection, a standardized protocol for water use integrity data. So the second point, it is data analysis, systematic process for analyze, reporting and alerts. So finally, we have people. We just have only 1 point. It is a stakeholder, project manager overseeing water, save and bridge projects.
A rapid application development policy is adopted. I think the reasons for choosing this strategy are as follows: higher user engagement and satisfaction. Example, in a hospital management system project, the IAD strategy was adopted, and through multiple prototype reviews and user feedback loops, the final delivery of the system greatly improved the productivity and satisfaction of healthcare workers because the system was fully considered and incorporated in their suggestions and needs during the development process. According to IAD emphasizes the active participation of users in the development process through frequent feedback and adjustment to ensure that the product is more in line with user needs and improve user satisfaction. Flexible response to changes in demand. Example, during the development of finished applications, IAD's flexible interactions enable teams to respond quickly and adapt functionality to ensure applications always comply with the latest market and regulatory requirements. IAD allows flexibility to respond to changing requirements, and through interactive development, teams can adapt and implement changing requirements and more quickly, ensuring successful project and implementation. Reduce project risk. Example, in the development of a large-scale enterprise resource planning system, the IAD strategy was used to identify and resolve multiple potential technical and business risks through prototype testing, avoiding large-scale rework and cost overruns that may result in the later stage of the project. According to IAD, through early prototyping and frequent user feedback, many problems can be identified and resolved at an early stage, reducing the risk of project failure. In summary, the IAD strategy was chosen because it can speed up the development process while ensuring higher quality and user satisfaction, and is especially suitable for project environments where requirements are constantly changing and rapid response is required.
Hello, I created diagrams for the full screen layout for our models. There are user login and data entry and data viewing and data update. I use Java code to create Java GUI for this. For the user login, you can just type the username and password to log in. And for the data entry, you can say the name, and about the calendar, you can say the exactly date you put the data in, and you can choose the type. Our models is about the river environment, so there are four basic type of it. And for the data update, you can choose the data name you have put, and you can choose it's normal or critical, and you can update or delete. For the data viewing, you can search from the name you have set of the data, and you can view it. Um, I have tried my best, but the interaction between the buttons, there are some issues. I didn't figure it out. Uh, so that's it.
And then I will introduce about the parity. The first one about the user login interface. You can get the username and the password. Especially about the password, we can implement a strong password to protect our account. And the next one about the data entry, we can get the data name and date. And the third one about the data mail interface, we have the start date and the end date. And the last one about the data update interface, we also have the data and date name. That's all of my part. Second, I will introduce about our SWOT analysis. Today I'd like to talk about Alibaba first. Let's look at its strengths. Alibaba is very well known in China and around the world. It leads the market with many businesses like Taobao and Tmall for shopping, Alipay for payments, and Alibaba Cloud for cloud computing, and Cainiao for shopping, and Youku for entertainment. These different parts to work well together. Alibaba is great at using data to make smart business choices. Its partnership with Cainiao ensures faster and effective deliveries. Also, Alibaba invests a lot in new technology, staying ahead in cloud computing, AI, and big data. Now let's discuss its weakness. Alibaba relies heavily on the Chinese market for its money, which is risky if China's economy returns. Internationally, not everyone knows Alibaba well, as many businesses can be hard to manage, and leading to this effectively, it faces more rules and regulations, especially about competitions and data parity, which can be told. Looking to the future, Alibaba has many chances to grow. It can enter more countries through deals and partnerships, especially in places like Southeast Asia, Europe, and the Americas. By using new technology like AI, blockchain, and IoT, Alibaba can create new products and services. As more people earn more money and want better products, Alibaba can meet this demand. Also, e-commerce is growing quickly in places like India and Africa, and Alibaba can gain more customers than there by adapting to local needs. In summary, Alibaba's strong brand, diverse business, smart use of data, efficient shipping, and focus on technology give it a strong base. By addressing its weakness and taking advantage of growth opportunities, Alibaba can continue to succeed.